Hello everyone, my name is Gajanan Hanuman Surose. Today is 15 September 2021. Our today's topic is interview question on Java. So we will see about the first question. Our first question is what gives Java its write once and run anywhere in nature. So Ora means write once, run anywhere, nature of it. Earlier it is not practically possible to have different various of an application for different devices because the devices have a variety of CPUs, operating system, and browsers. Java is portable, means that you can run Java bytecode on any hardware that has a complete JVM. In Java, write once, run anywhere. Java compiler compiles a Java program and converts into files. Class files. The contain bytecodes, which is the intermediate language between source code and machine code. These bytecode are not platform specific. So with the help of JVM, the Java program are not platform specific. So with the help of JVM, the Java program can run on wide variety of platforms. The JVM platform that is it implementation differs from platform to platform, but this all JVMs can execute the same Java bytecode. So in traditional programming language like C++, Java, when programs were compiled, they used to be converted into the code understood by the particular underlying hardware. So if we try to run the same code at another machine with different hardware which understand different code will cause an error. So have to recompile the code to be understood by the new hardware. So it's all about Ora, that is meant write once, run anywhere. Our next question is why Java platform independent? Java compiler Java compiler produces a unique type of code called bytecode, unlike C compiler, where compiler produces only natively executable code from a particular machine. When the Java program runs in a particular machine, it is sent to Java compiler, which converts this code into intermediate code called bytecode. This bytecode is sent to Java virtual machine, that is JVM, which resides in the RAM of the operating system. JVM recognizes the platform it is on and converts the bytecode into native machine code. Hence Java is called platform independent. In Java, when a program is written and compiled in Java, a separate file is created for a compiled program. It's called bytecode in Java. Then our third question is explain the structure of program in Java. Following are Java program contains the following elements, that is documentation section, package section, import section, interface section. In In structure of Java program, first is documentation section. The documentation section is an important section but optional for a Java program. It includes basic information about Java program. Then second is package declaration. The package declaration is optional. It is placed just after the documentation section. So it's all about structure of Java program.